Okay, a very good morning, my dear students. It's time to learn about the computer practical classes that I have been already started. And class six, my dear students, I would like to request you all the students, if uh, if you have computer or desktop, it means there is very clear screen over there that you can watch. If you don't have, just concentrate in your mobile screen and listen the audio very clearly. Thank you. Okay, so my dear friend, I'm going to share you the video. Okay, I'm going to share you the video of our related chapter. There's a screen. Okay, this one. Share.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, my dear friend, it's my screen that you can also looking over there in your screen, and in our regular class that I have already promised you, who is sketching over there? Don't do, please. There is the related things that I will show you. Okay, that I will show you. Okay, so is the program. How can we open the program? By pressing Windows R, we can press Windows R and write here WINWORD, WinWord. Okay, can press WinWord. Okay, thank you. Okay, so we can press here. Share the. I have already shared the screen in this program. I have already taught how can we identify, how can we write something in this program, and that is very clear concept that I have been already given to you. So my dear students, basically this period is very important that you know already. Every practical classes is very useful for the future planning or future learning goal. So without wasting of our time, I would like to request you one more time. Don't shout, okay, and don't sketch over there in our screen. Thank you. Okay, so it's time to write now something. Okay, this is the date. I'm going to write here again by pressing Control R. By pressing Control R, I'm going to write here date 20770415. Press enter. Click on the left alignment. If you press, then the cursor is over here in the left section. Okay. Then of course we can write something here. Dear students. Okay. I would like to you all my sweet dear student. I'd like to inform you all my sweet dear friends. Happy holidays. Okay. This type of messages that we can share here. Okay, this type of messages, and in this messages, what type of concept that I am going to tell you. Listen carefully. Okay. There is the two type of related things. Okay, we hope your online classes will running continue as per your given schedule. Okay, this is the concept. Okay, so my dear student, let me tell you, when we are typing here in this computer, when you are typing here in this computer, basically all these types of concept is taking or accepting by the computer, but computer is focusing computer can give us such types of identification, such types of indication that you can say, such type of indication like it has been written here. I would like to, okay, okay, I will increase the font size also. I will increase the font size. That's because you can you can learn clearly. Okay, it has been written here. Date, dear students, I would like to, I would like to, I would like to uh, inform you all, my sweet dear student, happy holiday. We hope your online classes will running continue as per your given schedule. I have already indicate this type of related, oh sorry, Control Z for undo that you can press. Okay, it has been written here running. Why the such types of curve is under the line? Why? There is a green curve and next one is the red curve. That two type of color combination it has been display screening in my screen, and that's because we can identify what is exactly that. What is that that you can identify? Let me inform you, my dear students. This computer is one of the very important dictionary of the all living beings or no living things related. It has been included. All the word meanings, everything is it has included. So, as for the information of grammar, this Microsoft company has uploaded the grammar in this program as well. So that grammar will discuss that grammar will show the messages, the green curve and the red curve under the line. It's because by the by the support of this type of related curve line, the dictionary will show us there is certainly mistakes. What type of mistakes it has written there that we need to care. Okay, so it has been written here. Okay, all my, if you press right mouse here, right mouse like that, if you press right mouse, it has been given some suggestions here, my entire. Of course, my dear student, if we are writing here, I would like to inform you all my, no need to write all my two words. We can direct utilize the other option also, my entire. Okay, now we would like to inform you, my entire sweet dear student, happy holiday. We hope your online classes will running. In the running under the line, this word has been already indicated as such types of green curve. It's because there is certainly grammatical mistakes or any types of related mistakes is occurring over there. What type of mistake that we need to find? By pressing right mouse here in this related word, it has been written here, run only. It's not running. Let me tell you, we hope your online class will running. We cannot write here will running, because if you press will be, then we can uh, utilize the same thing as per the rule of the grammar. So that's because we can utilize here, we can run. And now again the last one, if you press, the computer will suggest us the schedule. It has been, so it has been shown by the computer. There is the red curve. Why the red curve? Because the red curve is indicates there is certainly the mistake of spelling. Spelling mistakes or a spelling error, it will indicate by the computer directly in your screen. Okay, and give us the suggestion by when you press the right mouse here, when you
Excuse
press,
me, sir.
yes please.
Sir, you are teaching computer to us.
Yes, today it's because of the meeting. No, that's because there is no more class. Okay, so I will teach you the next time in the health subject. Okay.
sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so schedule, there is a schedule. That schedule you can utilize by pressing right mouse here, and here is the SCS EDULE. Which one is the correct option? That option you can choose here. And now every sentence structure, the word meaning, everything is fit and fine for the good performances. You see, it has been written here. I would like to inform you, my entire sweet dear students, happy whole day. We hope your online classes will run continue as per your given schedule. Okay. So we can write here. Thank you. Don't forget to write. Thank you. Huh? This is the this is the great. This is a very important matter that you need to write. Okay. Thank you. You can write left section or right section. No problem. As you wish that you can write everywhere. Okay. So that type of classes I have already taken in our last classes when we are pretending in our live classes. Okay. So I'm going to start the another more thing after select by pressing Control A or by clicking the holding the left mouse and move to the right direction. If you press, then it will give us a sign one, a type of selection. This is known as the selection. After selection, we can change our font that we can decrease, increase our font very easily. B for bold. If you press here, you can utilize the B for bold. I for italic, underline. Again, activate and deactivate. Look at the screen. Activate and deactivate, that you can utilize. Okay, here is the font color. That font color you can utilize. That font color you can utilize here. Okay, see here. Different type of color. Which type of color you want to choose? Which color you want to choose, that type of color you can utilize. See, many more color we can utilize. Which color you want to choose? Okay, the date. Again, after the selection, the date you can the date you can also change. Okay, so now we have been already prepared our very short simple letter or the messages that we are going to share to our related students. Okay, so what did you do now? What is your first priority? That every types of concept is given to the computer field for your safety. What is your safety? It means without saving, there is no safety of your file. So we better to save. How to save? By pressing Ctrl S or clicking by file. There is a save. You can write here. I'm going to store the file in the desktop. Okay, class 6. Class 6. Okay, I have already class. Okay, 6. Okay, class 6. It has been already stored. How can we know it has been already stored? In the screen, I'm showing by moving the mouse here. It has been written in the top of the screen, or that you can say in the title bar menu. It has been display class 6. Okay. Now, if you want to close this paper only by pressing Ctrl W, or you can press close also. Look at me. Look at the screen over there. Close. If you press close, then it will automatically close. Okay. Again, you can open. Is the close. There is the close. Okay. If you close only the certain paper only, for example, we have one paper. If you want to close this paper only by pressing Ctrl W, there is the message. Do you want to save the changes? It means no, yes or no. Which you want to utilize? Yes for the save this document that you have been written in your paper. Don't save means no need to save. No. Now the paper will close, but the program is still running now. So it's all are the reality of the practical classes. Okay. So by clicking here, click there is the class open that you can open here directly. Another more thing, my dear student, there is another more thing that is the very very important program that for you. That's because today uh, in the last few hours I was thinking about your class. So what type of class that has been taken by our other sir or not? There is the suspicions of many more problems of internet facility. So it's all are the very simple matter now these days due to the COVID. So no need to discuss many more. Okay. So I'd like to request you, if let me show you, my dear student, in the screen. In the screen, I have already written here something. The message is very very important for you. If you think how can we store the messages in our computer memory, that's because we can utilize the same profile for the future also. Click on file, click on save as. There is the name class 6 already. Okay, you can utilize here by clicking tools menu here. By clicking tools, then choose general option. One more time, my dear student, let me tell you one more time. Click on file, click on save as. It has been written already your file. Go to tools option, then there is the general option. Many more option it has, but no need to choose other option. You can choose the general option by clicking downside file sharing option for the document and password to open. Both of option you can utilize, but I am going to utilize last one is the best one. Okay, so it has been written here that password we can write. I'm going to write here. Okay, I have already written that you cannot guess because the password is very secret. But let me tell you, my dear student, it's a 123 password. 123. Okay, press OK. Now computer will confirm the password. Re-enter password to open to modify 123 again. This password must match, otherwise it will not work. Okay, press save, click on file, click on close. If you close, then when other students, other people, if they want to open the class 5, then computer will ask the password with the person. Class 6 is reserved by okay, reserved by the username and enter password to open the file. Otherwise, if we write here the wrong password like this, then computer will not respond to you. Computer will not show the file because you are entering the incorrect password. Okay, so incorrect password that you can utilize, it is not certainly gives a good allow for the entry. So we better to utilize the correct password, otherwise computer will guide us. You are using time to time many times, then it has been automatically blocked by users. So it is the required thing. If you have the correct password, you can open, otherwise you cannot open. Now it's open already. One more time. Click on file, click on save as. The file has been already written here. Click on tools, click on general option, click on here password to modify. Then you can write here, okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 now. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 now. Okay, save, file, close. Now open, password 1 2 3 4 5 6. If you open, then it can. Okay. Okay, so it's all are the written thing that I have already show you. My dear students, that you know everything is possible in the computer field. So we better to utilize the good idea, good concept. Okay, number two, there is the other more things we need to discuss today. The most important thing that you can utilize here about the different types of concept of word meaning. How can you move cut, copy, delete? If you press after the selection, we can utilize Control Shift for copy. If you press here, Control V for paste. The same thing will be repeat here. If you want to delete, press delete. If you want to reverse the delete things, press here in the, yeah, of course, undo. If you press, okay. If you want to cut the word, if you want to cut, Control X for the cut, utilize the place. Now Control V for the paste. Again, Control X, you can utilize, you can give the location and click on paste. So all are the given related things that you can utilize. Otherwise, you can utilize undo also. We can utilize which one you want to take. Okay. So my dear students, due to the a little bit few busyness today, uh, I will conclude my short uh, speech. Thank you everyone. Have a good day. Bye bye. I will share the video in YouTube. Please share
Thank you, sir.
to other students. Thank you all.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye.
Bye, sir.